Starting a YouTube channel in 2026 will change your life, and hear the truth about starting YouTube channel, about starting content creation that nobody told you about. Okay, I've started content creation a year ago, and I'm Mohammed, and today is a day 15 of documenting my journey of building income through content creation. I know it's still early and I haven't figured it all out at the moment, but I've learned something that real about YouTube that already works. And I believe that a lot of people out there, they think that YouTube is quite oversaturated, but I mean the truth here about starting content creation YouTube channel that nobody tells you about. Okay, and I mean I believe that if you're about to start content creation, just start, because when you start a YouTube channel, no one cares about your first videos, and that's the truth. Okay, you upload your video and you are proud of that you get 3 viewers. Okay, and I've got lots of videos out there. I think about I'm on like 200 videos at the moment, and my whole channel I've got about 11,000 viewers, and I believe that that's not a quite massive number, and it's just documentation of my journey of building income through content creation, and of course help you do the same, show you what it takes to basically make money online. When you start content creation, particularly YouTube channel, I know that nobody cares, nobody will watch your videos, but you know what, that's the small creative face. And maybe if you are lucky enough, you will get 5 viewers, okay, 10 viewers slightly, and it's not because you're not good enough, it's because you are completely new. YouTube doesn't know you yet at all, and honestly people don't either. And I know that a lot of people don't know what the creator does behind the scenes to put that video out there, and they can barely get kind of like 10 viewers. Okay, you know what, keep posting, honestly it's worth it. And the hardest part that I've literally came across is that it's not about editing, it's not about filming, even it's not about ideas, it's about showing up, being consistent, post videos out there, posting again after video, and then it flops, it doesn't go everywhere. This is literally demotivating, because it's staying consistent when there is no rewards yet. People quit, I know, but when you stay there in that game, that is going to be worth it, and every rewards will come later. It's staying consistent and upload even if no one is watching. That is the fundamental part. Okay, the mindset, you need to have this mindset. If you go into YouTube expecting a quick result, you will definitely quit. But if you treat like a skill building and even testing yourself, because every video teaches you something, okay, how to speak better, and even how to hook attention, and how to improve yourself. There's lots of benefit that you can take away, and even confidence. That's a real game. And you might wondering, what should I do if I start a YouTube channel? Well, I believe that once I started, I was focusing on quite simple videos. I was talking about things like how to learn English, something like that, improve one thing each time I do, and staying consistent, and I do not overthink it. Okay, but now I've started the journey where I document the journey of making content and make money online. And your first 50 videos, this is the truth, they are practice, just practice, okay, not perfection. Okay, I'm on a day 15 and no big result. I haven't got any results, but I have built momentum where honestly I have got like systems when I have to post, and honestly that matters me right now. And I believe that it's slow. I know I haven't got much viewers, and it's uncomfortable at the same time, particularly when I put quite a lot of effort there and I still barely get any viewers. But that's quite shocking at the moment, and it's quite demotivating. But if you stick with it, it can change everything for you. It can completely change your life. Start a YouTube channel, stay consistent, and do not quit, please, before you start working. That is literally the most fundamental, the hardest part people struggle with. Consistency, don't quit, and keep posting. That's a fundamental part, okay? And this is what I'm doing right now. Documenting the journey, post every single time, this is the day 15 where I document the journey, and I don't know. I literally don't know how much days it will take to make money online. It's just going to be a series where I document the journey and hopefully see what it takes, how many days it takes to make money online, and we will see what happens. See you in the next one.